Trump seeking to delay federal trials at any cost, says special counsel. Washington. Federal prosecutors argued that Donald Trump is attempting to deceive a Florida court weighing whether to extend key deadlines in the criminal case there, saying in a filing on Thursday that he is attempting to delay both trials at any cost. The latest filing from special counsel Jack Smith illustrates how Trump's multiple criminal cases are tied together and further entangled with an election calendar that kicks off in January with the 2024 primary. Trump is the frontrunner for the Republican nomination. Time equals 400 Ms. greater than Smith's office on Thursday alerted U.S. Judge Aileen Cannon in Florida that Trump had asked the judge overseeing the federal election interference case in Washington, D.C. for a pause until his motion for presidential immunity is fully resolved. That request for a pause came hours after Trump's lawyers had told Cannon that the Florida case over his handling of classified documents needed to be delayed because of conflicting scheduling demands. His attorneys had appeared before Cannon earlier in the day to make their argument, with one lawyer for Trump joining the hearing remotely from New York, where he is defending the former president in an ongoing civil fraud trial. Cannon, whom Trump appointed to the bench in 2020, had paused pre-trial litigation related to the use of some classified materials as she considered the request from the former president. The defense has also asked to halt the trial until after the 2024 presidential election. Time equals 400 Ms. greater than, but the special counsel said that Trump's attorneys failed to disclose at the hearing before Cannon that they were planning to file, and yesterday evening did file, a motion to halt the Washington case as well. Overnight, Trump's defense called to delay all proceedings in the Washington case until the questions of presidential immunity are fully resolved, his attorney John Lauro said in a filing. Trump's lawyers have filed motions seeking to have the case tossed out, arguing his actions surrounding the 2020 election are protected by immunity. If the request to delay the Washington trial is granted, the ask could delay the trial that is scheduled for early March for months, if not past the November election. Federal prosecutors responded by raising the alarm over Trump's alleged tactics in their notice to Cannon. The effort shows Trump's overriding interest in delaying both trials at any cost, counselor to the special counsel J. Brad wrote. This court should not allow itself to be manipulated in this fashion, Brad added. Trump was charged in Florida with mishandling classified defense secrets after he left office, and in Washington in connection to efforts to overturn the 2020 election. The former president has pleaded not guilty to both indictments.